In this video, we analyze the stunning performance of Marissa Dubois at Texas Swim Week 2024, focusing on the artistry behind the swimwear design and her graceful runway presence. We'll break down the elements of the swimwear, from its fabric choice to the stylistic decisions that make it stand out on the runway. Through the slow-motion clips, we get a closer look at how the swimwear flows with Marissa's movements, showcasing the craftsmanship and attention to detail in every piece. This type of design exemplifies the fusion of functionality and fashion, providing a sleek, elegant look that's perfect for both the beach and high-fashion events. Our goal is to provide insight into the fashion world while celebrating the creativity behind Texas Swim Week's incredible showcases. Be sure to subscribe for more detailed fashion analyses and stay tuned for our upcoming content.